Hey guys, Thomas Dallin here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Wanted to give you a walkthrough on this 2017 Bennington 22 SSRX that I just took in on brokerage. This is a full-size tri-toon Yamaha 150, approximately 172 hours. Sold this boat new, always serviced here at MarineMax in Greenville. Beautiful boat. It's the sunset red paneling. Again, this is a full-size tri-toon with the full 25-inch diameter pontoon logs, 34-gallon fuel tank, Yamaha 150. Let's climb aboard and look at the interior. The interior is the platinum with the diamond pressed upholstery. Guys, this interior is a 10 out of 10 for a boat that is a 2017. Absolutely great condition. Storage underneath all your seats. You've got the 10-foot Bimini top, ski tow bar. You'll also see this boat has two Garmin's, got the Striker 4 and another 9-inch on a ram mount. Kicker stereo with 4 speakers. Great boat, guys. Comes with this Wesco dual axle trailer with brakes. For more information, please give me a call on my cell phone, 864-350-0145, or give us a call at our Greenville office. Thank you for looking and have a great day.